How to delete browser history on Safari.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple channel.
In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to delete browser history on Safari. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on it and scroll down. Once you find Safari, tap on it and scroll down. Click on Clear History and Website Data. Now you can see many options. You can choose as you required. If you want to clear history of today, tap on Today. And if you want to clear today and yesterday history, tap on it. If you want to clear all history, click accordingly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this.